we're gonna use this tray. In this tray, I'm gonna lay some wood you bend. But do you guys remember this print of, I got this on Temu. It kind of looks like Rocky. It's a Bernice, Rocky's Bernice Husky Mix. So what I want to do is lay this down in the middle. I'm going to take some fancy wood you bend and put this on the sides, and then take another wood you bend and put it at the top, kind of frame it in. First thing, I think because this print has green, we're going to use that Paint Pixie green. All right, so now I'm going to put my wood you bend down. All right, this is wood you bend. I'm just going to... All right, I'm going to see if I can cut that there. Just going to... You want to make sure you cut your wood you bend while it's still warm, and we'll see if this fits in here. So that's how I'm going to fill up that space. Actually, that's a little long, so I'm going to heat it up some more and cut a little bit more off. So that works perfect. So I just have to cut this, right? I say like right here. Now, because this has some rope trim, I'm just gonna do a little bit of this at the top and the bottom. All right, so now I'm gonna take a smaller brush, like so, and I'm just gonna brush the glue on this one. We have everything on here. So look at how cute that is. It's gonna be, and I'm gonna paint all of that in green to match the walls. I'm gonna use, this is the Enchanted Forest from Paint Pixie. I love, love, love this green, and I think it's gonna match beautifully this wall color back here. I think I'm gonna do the whole tray in this green. Oh, and look at me. See, I got a big dab of paint right here and didn't even notice it. I wonder if I could wipe that off with the baby wipe. If not, no big deal. It looks like it blends into the floor. You want to use your picker pen. I know where I'm going to apply these rhinestones, okay? Hi, Kathy. I know I love this green paint. So you can pick it up, and you can either use your glue or, but see, I'm going to put it here. Like, I just know where I want each little rhinestone. And I'm going to lay them down first. See how it looks. Let me show you up close what we have so far. But see? Can you see how easy that is? And they're on there. I think he needs a Totally Dazzled bow. And I'm gonna do rub and buff, I think. What do you guys think? Rub and buff on this gold? I'm grabbing my rub and buff, and I'm just going to, now usually I use my fingers, but because this is so much of it and it's so ornate. Look at how pretty that is. See the difference? Okay, so do you see how pretty that looks? Doesn't it match? See how it matches so good? Now I'm gonna fill that, I'll probably fill that in with stickles and whatnot, I don't know. I know the color is gorgeous, isn't it? I love it, okay. So then I'm just gonna take, see, and I'm just going gently. I'm not doing it real heavy. I just wanna bring out all that detail. I kinda like the crown and the bow, I won't lie. I think he's gonna get both. Little hot glue. I'm just gonna do both, y'all. This could be Rocky's puppy. If Rocky had babies, this is what they would look like. Okay, and then I am gonna use just a little bit of glue here. I did go back and add some more roped would you bend right here along the side. So do you see how cute that looks? I'm gonna finish checking this. To have you. Okay, so the toilet's finished. I'm gonna add some stickles, but what I have is I just pulled out like these little papers. Somebody sent these to me in some Happy Mail, and I just kind of went through and found ones that kind of look like an old newspaper. It doesn't really matter because you're rolling it up. So, you know, just like that. So I want to make it look like it's popping out of this little wastebasket or whatever. So see how we're just gonna have a bunch of those like popping out? Like it's a little garbage can full of, you know, old rolled up newspapers. Let's see how it's coming along. Look at, isn't it so stinking cute? Oh, a really small piece of wood bend. That's not a bad idea. What are those things you're just jumped on? Just like little pieces of paper. I had one of my Sparkle Chicks sent me this, and I just rolled them up to look like newspapers coming out of his little bucket. That's actually not a bad idea. And actually, I do have some wood bend sitting right here. I have the nail head. Really tiny, like really tiny bling. You know, like here's like some Totally Dazzled, like what about just something right here on each end? Let me see if I can find another one of those. Actually, I can paint this with the Paint Pixie. Let me do this because this is New Penny. And it kind of looks like this bucket here. Do you know what I mean? So we want to kind of make that match. Anyway, here's what we did today, guys. Look at how cute that looks. See? So it's just like he's sitting on the can. Now, I want to show you what else I have. Maybe we'll make a part 3 of this later. I have some of these things that I pulled out. These I've had forever. But these are like these little foam 3D stickers. And the one that I opened up, and I thought it would be cool because, you know, I'm going to turn this around. He's kind of got like a little shelf back here. But I was thinking of this. That's like one of those little, you know, I thought that'd be funny. Like he gets only like 60 seconds for, you know, to do his doo-doo. I was thinking about putting, now these are just stickers, so I'm just going to place it down. You guys let me know what you think. Like over here, I could put that one. And then I was thinking this little trunk that I could put over here off to the side. Make sure it's straight. Or do I put the little trunk over here? And see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stickle, I don't have time today, but I'm gonna stickle all around this frame. So it'll be like these things are sitting in front of it. I'm gonna stickle all around this little bottle. And then I like these books here, so there's close up. What do you guys think?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.